Welcome to the lunch buffet here on the Carnival Horizon. Come on with us and see what great food they've got here today. Starting with the Comfort Kitchen. Maybe you want that Memphis pulled pork or Bourbon Street chicken. These Comfort Kitchen items will not disappoint. So let's go take a look at some of them. Of course, macaroni and cheese is going to be there. Turkey, stuffing, cranberry sauce. If you have food allergies, be sure to let them know behind the counter so they can help you out. And watch for these symbols for the vegan and gluten-free. Even for the desserts, they will have sugar-free, gluten-free options. And I've got to tell you, they are fantastic. I could not tell the difference between them and regular desserts. If you like the cold cut section or the salad bar, you won't be disappointed. Got some yummy cold salad options for you as well. There's a drink station at each end of the buffet that will have your included drinks. The family menu part of the buffet is stuff you might typically eat at home. You'll find the foods here that your kids are going to want to have. And you're going to find some stuff that maybe you might want to take on a picnic with you. I started to edit this part out of the video, but I thought, well, I'll leave it so you get an idea that it can be a little crowded and the traffic going both directions sometimes at the salad bar. And look at these delicious desserts. Notice the Comfort Kitchen has a different menu today. This is another day. So you're not going to have the same thing over and over. Come on and check out what the Comfort Kitchen has for you today. Cheese lovers will find something here for them, Eddie. Boy, this dessert here must have been good. That's an empty tray up there. I'm not a big salad eater at home, but here on the second day of recording footage for the lunch buffet, I just found myself staring at these vegetables because they looked so good. So of course, I did have to come back and have myself a salad, followed by a chocolate cake for dessert. I like their fruit selection too. You could get whole fruits, raw, or you could get some that's already chopped up and sliced up for you. Or you could get both. And hey, who doesn't want to put sprinkles on their fruit? Oh wait, that's for the gelato. Yes, they have a gelato bar here in the buffet. And then of course we got the carvery over here. I love myself some fresh carved up meat, and they've got some great ham here today. Yeah, remember yesterday they had turkey, so that will change up also. I wanted to do 2 days back to back like this just so you could see that there are some things that will be the same, but there are a lot of things that will change. Let's see what the family menus got different today. Now some of these items will be the same because kids always want their chicken tenders and their french fries and their hot dogs, but there will be a couple of changes as well. See if you can spot what they are and let me know in the chat. Thanks for joining us for this lunch buffet tour here on the Carnival Horizon. We are Sea Lake Journeys. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And check out all of our full-length videos, our shorts, and our live streams for more travel adventures on the seas and on land. Until next time, we'll see you around the channel.